let's give one of these another blind pick. Probably wondering why I'm doing another blind pick. Well, when I show you, sorry, I'm using this cheap little freaking pocket knife thing. And you see the bidding on this, you'll see why I always, when I'm in a hardware store, I'm always looking at the locks and whatnot. And I saw the bidding on this, and I thought, oh man, that's gonna be. Let's see if I can show you here. I thought to myself that that might be a good one, hard one to pick. So I was like, all right, let's do it. Let's buy it. All right, let's see here. Got a full-size McTickler this time. Am I getting all this in view here? Tired of my Riz closing up on me all the time. I think I'm in a full set. Definitely worried about this one giving me a run. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to pick it at all. Set. Knew it, and this was going to give me a run. But it's that back pin right behind that real low cut that keeps messing me up here. had my wrist pick out. What am I doing? Try the number 1 hook. Or should I go number 4? Full set. Can't get the reach. Sorry about the noise too. It's like 90 some degrees and it's a little toasty here, so yeah, got the AC cranking. There we go. Open. It was a little tricky, huh? I knew it was going to be a little bit tricky. That was fun, actually. That was really fun. Tension swap, pick swap, doing whatever I had to do to get that open. That was fun. Guess I should always forget to check to make sure they even work first. But there you go. Crazy ass bidding on that one. That took a while.